This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Cindy Schuster. This beautiful townhome is stunning from the moment you walk through the front door. Bridgewater townhomes have one of Tierra Verde's most unique floor plans. There are 3 bedrooms on the second floor of the primary residence, which have 2 full baths, a laundry room with a full-size washer and dryer, and a sink. The main floor has a formal dining room, an open floor plan with an open bar counter in the kitchen. The living room has an electric fireplace with mantel, French doors that lead out to a screened-in lanai, with a huge outside deck to enjoy the tropical Florida weather year-round. The oversized windows in the main floor living room allow soft natural light to fill the main living area. There is plenty of room for guests in the 1-bedroom, 1-bath guest apartment over a 2-car garage, separated by a lovely courtyard. Tierra Verde offers a lovely selection of award-winning restaurants. You can take a short bike ride to Fort de Soto Park, with its miles of pristine sand beaches, or St. Pete Beach to catch a spectacular sunset. Make an appointment today to view this beautiful townhome so you can call Bridgewater Townhomes your home. For more information,